Technology Minerals is a unique business, perfectly positioned to take advantage of the 21st century transport revolution. That revolution is the transition from petrol and diesel engines to electric vehicles. Now, this huge change throws up two serious challenges, namely the production of lithium-ion batteries for EVs and, down the line, the recycling of those batteries when they're spent and no longer usable. Technology Minerals can help with both of these problems. First of all, we can provide the raw materials needed for battery manufacturing. We'll be able to extract the metals like lithium, cobalt and nickel in an ethical way from our own mines. In addition, we're developing the UK's first industrial-scale lithium-ion battery recycling operation. This will produce what's known as black mass, which can be further processed to recover the metals the battery producers need. This is where Technology Minerals is unique. We're the first UK-listed company that creates a circular economy for EV battery metals. Not only do we have new sources for these much-in-demand metals, but we'll also be able to provide these metals by recycling end-of-life batteries.
By recycling the materials and reusing the materials at the end of the cycle, it means that we can create a truly circular economy.
As we saw at COP26, governments the world over recognise the urgent need to protect the environment and reduce greenhouse gases. It's simply not good enough to produce goods using rare commodities, only to throw them away when they're no longer needed. You don't have to be a genius to see that the demand for batteries to power our cars and lorries is about to grow dramatically. Governments, like the UK, have already banned the sale of new petrol and diesel cars from 2030. That means a lot more EVs on the road. The average battery has an expected lifespan of about 11 years, so it's predicted that 1.4 million packs will be coming to the end of life each year by 2040. That translates to about 340,000 tonnes of batteries that will need to be disposed of or recycled. As you know, there's currently no major UK capability to recycle lithium-ion batteries, so our plans with Recyclers Group are to build several recycling plants at strategic places around the country.
On the lithium ion, people may not realise, but through e-bikes, through laptops, handhelds, all the way through to vehicles, that there are 5 different sciences, and each of them are bespoke, but in our process we're able to put any of those 5 through our plant at any time in any combination, which gives us an industry-leading proposition.
We think the potential is huge. First, we know that demand for key battery metals needed in EV production is about to go through the roof. It's forecast that demand for lithium and nickel will grow by 1,000% over the next few years, while the forecast for cobalt is 450%. However, there's a big question mark over the mining industry's ability to meet that demand because of the time it takes to develop new mines. That's why our 6 junior mining assets are in a fantastic position to take advantage of this situation. Looking at them in detail, 3 of our sites are in the States. We have 2 in Idaho, one of which is known as Drill Ready and is focused on cobalt, while the other asset in South Dakota is for manganese, another key metal, and exploration there is already going extremely well. In Ireland, we're working with our joint venture partner and are already drilling for lithium. In Spain, our asset is focused on nickel, cobalt and copper and is also drill ready. While in Cameroon, we have a potentially very large nickel and cobalt asset that's primed for more exploration. Putting it all together, it's a very exciting picture.
Money that we're going to now be given will enable us to further develop the mining assets that we have with additional drilling to make sure that we can maximise our supply to the battery industry sector, and also to roll out the 5-year strategy that we have with the recycling business, which will extend then both into Europe and ultimately globally.
Personally, it's really exciting to be involved in a British business that's going to play a key role in the decarbonisation of road transport. And it's heartening that so many investors also want to be a part of this story. They can see the value in investing in a company with ethical and environmental values at its core.